Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is Tuesday, October 3rd. Time is around 7:30 GMT, and we will have a look at the NASDAQ futures on the Oanda platform. So my take on the NASDAQ is that we made a wave 3 high here, and that we are now coming down as a wave 4. So I believe this wave 4 is playing out as a WXY pattern. And so now we already took out the wave W here, which could actually mean that the wave Y is in here. So if you follow me for a while, you know that I put my primary scenario in green, my secondary scenario in red. And as it is indicated now, it could be, or as it is indicated now, you can conclude that the Y leg is in, and so also the wave 4. So that would mean that from here we have an A, B, C down. But in this particular case, I have to say that I do not really have a preference for the scenario in green or the scenario in red. I think they are both actually valid scenarios. So first of all, as you can see, in my yesterday's video or my analysis of Monday, I was still expecting a fifth wave down here. Like if we look at the lower time frame here on the 1 hour, I was still expecting this fifth wave down here. We were sitting in wave 4 area. So before my count was actually like this, but we were not really moving from here. Like while the other indices, the Dow Jones and the DAX, made their fifth wave down, taking out this low. This does not happen for the Nasdaq, and so that makes me think that we started a new cycle from here. Actually, it is also taking too long. Like if we look at the 4 hour here, like we already had some divergence here compared to this low. So actually we could be finished here. And so now we have this upward move here. And it starts to look that this part has nothing to do anymore with this cycle here. So therefore now I prefer to call for the wave 3 finished here, the wave 4 finished here, and the wave 5 here, which means for the scenario in green that the ABC is finished here, and that we will not see this fifth wave anymore down, because the DAX and the Dow Jones made or are making their fifth wave down, and so actually they start to be ready to go back up. So it would be a bit surprising to see like still a drop in the Nasdaq of around like 3%, while the other indices are turning up. So therefore, I prefer to call here for a low as a wave C. However, that does not mean, like, this can still be an A leg like this. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That we now have a wave B. And then after this wave B, a wave C follows to finish this wave Y. This is something that can still happen. And with the structure we have now, it actually looks like this. So I just want to have a bit more data, but then I will probably change. I will put here the scenario in red as the scenario in green. So my primary scenario. And then I would still expect another leg down, actually, because this here looks looks corrective so far. This is not really um, impulsive, um, like, yeah, this here could be three swings: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But we do not end here with divergence. So for the moment, it looks more corrective than impulsive. So I would like to have a bit more data. So then probably tomorrow I can update you what is most likely to turn out. But yeah, for now, without this data, yeah, both scenarios are equally valid in my opinion. But so main expectation would be that now in the short uh, term, in the short run, um, yeah, we do not see this fifth wave anymore. I would rather expect a bit more upside and then downside again, than downside from here. I think this becomes unlikely. So yeah, and then if this plays out this year as an ABC, like I explained in my weekend video, then it is still possible that we get another corrective leg here. But this is something we should analyze in a later phase. So in conclusion, here, I do not really prefer the green or the red scenario. I think they are both equally valid for now. I would like to wait for a bit more data here to see what exactly, which kind of structure we get here. But now I think we will first, if we have to come down again, I think it will not happen immediately. I think we will first see some more upside, and then that could mean that we are having this wave B here. Okay, that's my analysis for today. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work, and I see you tomorrow for another video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.